I blanked this movie 3 times already. Watch, watched, had watched, have watched. Dito, hindi mo pwedeng piliin yung simple present, yung watch. Kasi hindi mo naman regularly or habitually ginagawa yung panonood. Sinabi mo lang na napanood mo na siya 3 times pero hindi ibig sabihin na habit mong panoorin yung movie na yan. Hindi ka rin naman pwedeng mag-simple past. Kasi wala ka namang past time indicator. Dapat merong word dyan or phrases na magsasabi sa'yo kung kailan eksaktong nangyari yung panonood mo ng movie in the past. Eh, wala naman dito. Hindi ka rin naman pwedeng mag-had watched kasi past perfect ito. Remember, pag perfect, prior. So, pag past perfect, prior to past. So, dapat yung panonood mo, naganap siya before another past action. Eh, wala namang iba pang past action dito. Natira na lang letter D, which is obviously the correct answer. Have watched, and this one is in present perfect. At ang formula ng present perfect ay has or have plus past participle. Again, perfect siya, pero this time present. So, before the present. Bago ngayong kasalukuyan na nagsasalita ka. Ibig sabihin, it indicates na napanood mo na bago ngayon na nagsasalita ka. Usually, kagaya ng mga na-discuss ko na sa inyo dito sa mga videos ko, ginagamit natin yung present perfect sa mga relevant past experiences. Lalo na kapag may possibility na panoorin mo siya ulit or gawin mo ulit yung action na yun in the future.